Hello my friends and welcome back to another great episode here on PinkToolGirl. Today we're going to kind of deviate from the home improvements, but it's still going to be something with your home. We are doing how to create a backdrop for videos, and that could be any type of videos, Zoom calls, photography, your own YouTube studio, whatever it may be that you're doing videos nowadays. So let's get started. For home improvement advice, where we help you save more so that you can do more in your home, hit that bell and subscribe today so that you don't miss out on any of the episodes that we share. So when I was teaching theater, I would take a script and then from there create the set pieces, whatever the scene called for, the mood of the stage or whatever was going to happen. And the sky was the limit of what you wanted to do on stage to create your backdrop. Well, I would pass that same knowledge on to you. Today, we're going to be talking about creating the backdrop for either your YouTube's channel that you want to start or the backdrop for a photography studio, something in your home that you're wanting to start, a small business, or even just as plain as Zoom calls or Google Hangouts, something that somebody's going to see the area behind you and you want to create something that makes you look really good. So we're going to talk about 4 steps to creating the perfect backdrop for your home. So when it comes to creating your backdrop, I want you to think of a few things. First, the cost that you want to put into the backdrop, the design that is going to make you look the best or whatever you're photographing the best, the weight, how heavy is it, because we're going to be talking about hanging it on the wall, and how many times you want to use this backdrop. So those are key things that you want to keep in mind as you're creating your backdrop. So one of the easiest backdrops that you can create for yourself is by painting a wall. So pick out a color that is complementary to you or something that you want to pop behind you, or maybe you want your clothing to be the part that pops and so therefore you want more of a neutral wall. Whatever it may be, whatever design you're trying to go for, a can of paint is a very easy, simple way to make the backdrop behind you look great. So the next idea that I have for you is using a curtain as a backdrop. So I have several different types of curtains here that I wanted to show you. This one has just plain hooks that you would put on a rod to put over top of your existing window. We've got something that's pretty shiny, if that's the idea that you're going to. You can even use lights behind something that is see-through or clear to add maybe a little bit of a sparkle or design depending on what it is, the topic that you're trying to create. I have a green screen and you can get just normal green fabric. I actually did some green screen video where if you record in front of the green screen, then you can use different programs in order to put yourself in the middle of Times Square or the middle of Paris or whatever. I thought I was going to use it a little bit more, but when I did it, it looked silly. Somebody actually said that I looked too small for the video. It was just funny. So green screen is definitely appropriate. Maybe not necessarily for a photography studio or a YouTube, but it is an option. Last thing that I wanted to show you is you can buy bolts of fabric. And this is pretty lightweight and pretty see-through, so you want to make sure that the wall behind the curtain, depending on if you're going to make the curtain gathered or if you're going to make it straight, you want to make sure that you do 2 things. Take a piece of painter's tape and tape off the frame of which either your phone, your laptop, or your camera, wherever that main focus is going to be, because you'll want to make sure that you hang the curtain above that so that your head and your feet that they're centered in there. Now, I wanted to give you some just good DIY, inexpensive ways to hang a curtain on a wall. You can use brad nails and you can use these little paper clips. If you use the curtain like this and then hang it. What's really good about this, and I've used this trick for a lot of different things, but you can change the backdrop out. So if you wanted one time to have pink, the next time to have blue, the next one to have green, and you wanted to keep changing your backdrop, you have that option because it's not really permanent. So that's suggestion number 2. So my third suggestion is this, and I'm going to try to give you a lot of examples as I'm talking about it because there is a variety. It is, you can create what's behind you, not just with a can of paint, which would be very simple, but adding certain home decor items, such as corbels here, or a sign, or shelving, or a picture, or a frame, or something that kind of captures what it is that you're trying to create with your Zoom call. Sometimes just a bookshelf behind you or a plant. So there are many things that you can create as far as home decor items behind you that makes it interesting for the person to look at. But I want to make sure that I warn you that when you're creating a backdrop, you don't want it to be too distractive. So choose wisely and make sure that you're always thinking about what it is you want the audience to be looking at or the viewer to be looking at. Is it you? Is it what's in front of you that you're designing? But you want to keep that in mind as you're doing your backdrops. Okay, so a few tips that you want to keep in mind as you're designing the backdrop that you want for whatever it is. Your small business, if you're thinking about that, make sure that you keep your branding or your color scheme or your even logo in mind if you want to use that as a backdrop. That's a great tip. If you're thinking about photography, you'll want to have a variety of backdrops in order to be able to highlight the person that you are photographing. When it comes to just using it as a Zoom call or a Google call, Google Hangouts call or whatever that's called, you want to make sure that you have something very neutral and just complimentary to your home so as not to distract the person that you're trying to have a meeting with. So go ahead and comment below if you plan on designing a backdrop in your home because you find yourself having to do meetings or your business at home now. I'm so glad you joined us for this quick video on how to create a backdrop for your home in whatever type of videos you're going to be doing. If you need some ideas of how to paint different backdrop ideas, I'll go ahead and put that in a card above so that you can look at some of the ideas that we can help you with as far as painting. But make sure again that you hit that subscribe button and the bell, and if you want to grab the checklist that we have for you of how to create your backdrop in your home, go ahead and get that in the link below. Until then, we'll see you later.